Alyssa. Just into our newsroom this morning, we are learning whether all 6 Oglethorpe Mall shooting suspects will remain behind bars as their case heads toward trial. The latest of the 6 just had his bond hearing with a Superior Court judge this morning. All of the defendants are facing felony murder and gang charges. WSAV's Kaylee Fedko is live this morning outside the Chatham County Courthouse with the latest. Good morning, Kaylee. What can you tell us right now?
Yeah, Kim, good morning. Well, Aujawan Hymon was the first suspect caught and the last to have his bond hearing before a Superior Court judge. Now, he has emerged as the face of this case simply because we know the most about him and we've seen his face more than any of the other defendants since July 2nd. Now, I'm outside the courthouse awaiting the results from the hearing as to whether he'll be granted bond by Judge John Morris. Now, remember, he posted this video to his Threads account 2 days after the shooting. This reportedly taken at a residence in Richmond Hill. And folks, this is the video that led law enforcement to his location, flashing money and firearms still in a cast from a few days earlier. This then setting off the chain reaction to his now co-defendants being identified and arrested, now all behind bars. So let's talk about them in the meantime. We told you Jonathan Jones, DeMille Johnson, Franklin James, and Royce Haynes had their bonds denied by a Superior Court judge in that order since July. Reasons on their bond applications ranging from being a danger to the public and the risk of intimidating witnesses. Now, meanwhile, Tyrone Robbins had his bond hearing September 5th. I can confirm he is still behind bars without a bond set, meaning his bond was likely denied or was taken under further consideration by Judge Morris, but all records indicating he will remain behind bars with his fellow co-defendants. So here's what's next for this case. All 6 defendants will be arraigned together Monday, November 24th at 9 a.m. by Judge Morris. They were indicted October 1st on felony murder, gang, and other charges for that July 2nd shooting. Now, as for Aujawan Hymon, he has the longest road ahead in the criminal justice system, facing federal charges for illegal possession of a machine gun. And like I said, his bond hearing going on now, and I'm awaiting the results outside the courthouse. But Kim, judging by the track record here, it's likely that his bond will be denied and he will remain behind bars with his 5 other co-defendants until that arraignment at the end of November. Send it back to you. Live in Savannah, Kaylee Fedko, WSAV News 3 on your side.
Thank you, Kaylee, for that update. You can stay up to date with new developments and see any of our previous coverage on the investigation on our website. That's WSAV.com.